Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the latest and greatest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it. First, let's start off with the crypto bubbles, see what the biggest gainers of the days are. Right away I see MEW, MEW is up 36.6%. We got Nero at 34.5%. Pendle 20.5% for the day. We got Dog, it's up 29.4% for the day. We got Turbo, it's up 15.5% for the day. We got Axelar, one of the channel's favorites, at 14.5% for the day. And we got Arrow, another channel's favorite, it's up 10% for the day. Well, let's get right into the news, guys. Let's see what's been going on in the crypto world today. I guess one of the biggest news today is about Michael Saylor. He's basically comparing the Bitcoin. Here, I'll read it to you guys. In August 6th, in an interview with CNBC, Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor said acquiring a strategic reserve of Bitcoin would represent another Louisiana Purchase moment for the United States. If you guys don't know, guys, Thomas Jefferson purchased the Louisiana Territory for $15 million in 1803, and shortly after that, it nearly doubled in size for the United States. So Bitcoin is scarce, Saylor is saying. It's a desirable digital property. It's a great idea to trade a little bit of currency or paper for some place that billions of people are going to want to be in 100 years. If you guys don't know, guys, Michael Saylor is the biggest Bitcoin bull out there. Saylor, I don't know if you guys know, but he was in the 2024 conference in Bitcoin in Nashville, Tennessee, and he made headlines when he forecasted Bitcoin's price to reach up to $13 million by 2045. Well, I don't know if it'll reach $13 million by 2045, but I'm for sure that it'll be, I don't know, I think it might hit $1 million by 2045, but I sure hope it hits 13 million. I'm all for it. So, in case you guys didn't know, right now, Michael Saylor's company has about $8 billion worth of Bitcoin. And let me see, in other news, guys, I guess the Ronin network was exploited for $9.8 million in ETH. I guess a white hat hacker was suspected, so hopefully he returns the money. And let's see. So I guess the white hat hacker discovered a vulnerability in the Ronin network, and everybody's they're optimistic that it'll be returned because it was a white hat hacker who figured this out. Okay, let's see, more news headlines, guys. Bitcoin ETF volume surge. According to Galaxy Digital, trading volumes for Bitcoin ETFs topped $1 billion at the start of the U.S. trading in August 5th, as plunging global markets triggered extremely elevated activity across the digital asset space. Galaxy noted that Bitcoin ETF trading volumes crossed 1.3 billion in the first 20 minutes of trading, with the iShares Bitcoin Trust seeing upwards of 875 million in volume. Galaxy's head of research, Alex Thorne, said that he expects to see the ETF accumulate inflows as investors spot the dip. According to Thorne, macro sentiment has also worsened following poor U.S. unemployment data last Friday. Additionally, huge unwinds across all assets have caused volatility to spike sharply. The market structure, including fiat to crypto on-ramps, has been weak for months, he said. It's unlikely that significant players will invest amid high volatility and unpredictable prices. Many still need to exit positions and deleverage the portfolio. Well, the important thing is that the ETF volumes are surging, guys. The more people buy ETFs, that's better for Bitcoin, and it's better for crypto in general, and that translates to better prices for us on our crypto altcoins. So you guys know, the higher the prices, the more money we make. More news, let's see here. We got how mobile technology can drive mass Web3 adoption. Mobile technology has been a catalyst for radical change in everything from the social media experience to software distribution, ultimately reshaping society and molding behavior in largely unanticipated ways. Several Web3 companies are now exploring using mobile hardware and operating systems to drive mass adoption of Web3 by sidestepping restrictive App Store policies seen on traditional big tech platforms and lowering the barrier to entry for users struggling with the technical user interface of current Web3 products. In an interview with Cointelegraph, Max Richter of the AP Phone, I don't know if they mentioned the iPhone team or iPhone team, a decentralized Web3 operating system that can run on smartphones, tablets, and computers, discussed the role of mobile technology in driving Web3 adoption. Richter explained that many Web3 developers currently having trouble listing decentralized applications on the Apple Store and on the Google Play Store. Even if approved, the software developers must contend with these stores taking a considerable chunk of revenue for listing their applications. The software developers had this to say about the high barrier to entry imposed on the Web3 builders by traditional app stores. If you're really struggling to get your apps on board or improving the App Store, which is usually what we see the most, is that there's a lot of due diligence that goes on in that side. Richter also touched on the role mobile style operating systems play in abstracting away the technologies of Web3 through easy to touch icons integrated into wallets, as opposed to users fumbling around trying to create wallets or failing to prey to sophisticated phishing scams. Well, that's pretty good, guys. I mean, I have heard that the App Store, the Apple Store, and the Google Play Store, they do charge a lot to get your apps on there. So hopefully, we have better Web3 adoption and better mobile technology that could make things cheaper and easier for mass adoption. So I'm all for it, guys. Let's see what it says here about the Solana Saga smartphone. It says Solana achieved a milestone in late 2022 by announcing the Solana Saga smartphone, a crypto-friendly mobile device built on the Android operating system. It features built-in decentralized applications, native to Web3 support, and Solana wallet. The smartphone quickly sold out by November 2023 and was listed on sites like eBay for upwards of $5,000, showcasing the relative demand and interest in the mobile device. Wow, that's pretty good, because I remember it was only like $500 or $600, the Solana Saga smartphone. I mean, whoever sold it in eBay for $5,000, they made a pretty good profit. And I don't know if you guys also remember, but the Solana smartphone, the Solana Saga smartphone, it also came with a lot of bonk. So a lot of people got rich off that, because I mean, they basically got a bunch of free bonk, and we know on bonk it went up to like 0.404. So if they were able to sell the top, they made some pretty good profit. Or even if they didn't sell, if they're still holding bonk, bonk will probably 10x from the current price. I think it's at like 4018 right around now. It might be at 4019. Let's look it up. Let's see. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. See where it's at. So if they hold their bonk, they're definitely going to make a good chunk of profit. Okay, let me look at bonk, see what the current price is. Alright, just waiting for loading. Here it is. It's at 401974, guys. So I mean, if they hold, and I'm sure it could probably 10x from here, but it'll probably delete another zero for sure. Maybe delete 2 zeros, but for sure, I think it can 10x from here. So those people who bought the Solana Saga smartphone, if they hold their bonk till the top of the bull run, they'll make a lot of free money that they got from the Saga phone that came with a lot of bonk. Alright, guys, well, I just wanted to make this quick video and share some of the news for today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright, guys, this is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.